Coinbase Tutorial 2024 Beginner's Guide on how to use Coinbase to buy, sell and earn crypto. Now, to buy, sell and earn crypto, first of all, how do you earn? So you earn by buying a certain crypto for a low amount of price when the value has decreased and selling them when the price is high, and you will gain this certain amount of surplus, which is going to be your profit, right? So once you open the Coinbase app, this is the kind of interface that you're going to be able to see, right? Now, right over here at the bottom left, you'll find this blue option that says buy and sell. So you can just tap on the buy and sell option. Now, depending upon if you want to buy crypto with cash, tap on buy crypto with cash option and just select an asset that you want to buy. So you can see Tether has decreased certain percent. So if I buy this now and tomorrow the value increases, I might have a certain amount of profit. But similarly, if you want to buy other cryptocurrencies, select that cryptocurrency, verify your account to buy it, right? Once you've done that, let's say you think that you have a certain amount of profit, you can also choose to sell it by tapping on the sell option right here to sell crypto for cash, and select any cryptocurrency that you own. If you don't have, then you won't be able to find them. And either way, this is the way on how you can buy, sell and earn crypto. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.